Hey guys, no, tell them I'm here. Okay, they don't know I'm here. They're firing shots at me, but they don't know I'm here. You see those fat fucks? Watch this shit. All right, yeah. So anyway, what's up, guys? It's your boy Danger, back at it again with oh shit, back at it again with them white Tims. Fuck, because I used to wear Tims. I mean, I had Vans, but fuck that. I wore Tims, motherfucker. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. I'm really gonna die. Fuck, man. This crap's pretty intense. Alright, yeah, this is all I need right here. This is all I need. This is it. It's the fucking dongalong, you guys. Okay, shit. Shouts out to Coralier for that content, for that whatever the fuck, that content I'm able to reference. Fuck you, chicken nugget. Tyson's chicken nuggets. Man, let me tell you something. When I was little, I don't know how the fuck I knew about Mike Tyson. I was like 5, living at these mobile homes and shit. And went to Sam's Club one time. And they just had Tyson chicken nuggets. And I just fucking look over at my mom. Like, Mike Tyson, Mom? She's like, yes, honey. Whatever you fucking say, shut the fuck up. No. But, you know, like, you know, kids are fucking annoying. Now that I'm older, it's like, yeah, you know, I see a lot of things make sense now. Anyway, anyway, what the fuck am I supposed? Okay, so I went over there. Am I supposed to go up there? Am I supposed to like kill everybody? Dead bodies everywhere? If you don't know about dead bodies everywhere, then I can't fucks with you. By Corn. Cornelius. What the fuck? Okay, so I went this way, that way. Okay. Well, now that these fuckers are dead, let's see. Really now? Okay. Actually, I don't think I can kill it. I think I'm running into the same problem that I did when I was little, and I just kept killing them and not doing shit. That's a bit of a problem of mine when it comes to games. Like, I just tend to kill and kill and kill. No. But yeah, I can never get like Elder Scrolls done, like any of those games, like Skyrim, Morrowind, any open world game. I would just like get too caught up with like killing people and like stealing and shit, because I can't do it in real life. I already, whatever. What the actual fuck, dude? I got like no health balls either. What the fuck, man? Okay, so I can't go up there. I mean, there was no fucking, like, yeah, there were no enemies over here. So maybe I think I have to fucking go back or something. Cause yeah, there's that one. I think I have to go back. That's what it is. Yeah. See, these old games, they wanted you to run around a lot. For those of you that aren't hip to oh fuck, that aren't hip to 90s platformers. This is real late 90s, so this is like actually when they kind of got more decent. You weren't running around as much, but also this is a lesser known title, so. Oh shit. Danger. Danger. Ooh. I wish I had a Earthworm Jim's physique. That boy looks like he can just fucking crush a watermelon with his fucking biceps. Like he could grab 2 watermelons and just crush them in between his fucking arms and his ribs. Like, you know what I mean? Just like fucking double crush. Like, goddamn, dude. I've been crushing on you, baby.
Yeah.
I think that's how that stupid fucking song goes. You gotta love those like fucking random memories. You gotta love when I say you gotta love it, you know, you gotta love it. What the fuck? Because if I remember correctly, there's like another path, and you have to like fucking. Oh fuck me! Yeah, screw you, chicken McNugget, chicken McNurgster. What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm gonna be pissed, dude, if I went all this way for like fucking jack shit. Which, I mean, it wouldn't be the first time. I may have gone all this way for jack shit. It wouldn't be the first time I did it, and throwing hundreds when I should be throwing ones, bitch, I run it. I know way too many fucking bitches. Alright, what the fuck? Yeah, I really do think I went all this way for like jack shit. Come on, man. Alright, let's see. Alright, we're figuring this out though. Yeah, fucking country music. This is exactly how country music sounds like. Like, I'm from Texas, so I know how country music sounds like. And this is how it sounds. What the fuck is going on? Alright, yeah. Oh shit. Oh yeah, Mr. Debriefing over here. Fucking bitch. Hurry, Jim. Find my underwear, I just shit myself. Oh fuck. Well, if you shit yourself, then why isn't it on the floor? But it's... Get it? It's a joke because, shit. Oh fuck, oh fuck. Doot 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 doot. Like Nardwar. Okay, let's see. What's in here? Okay, the chimkin coop. With the chimkin nuggers. What the fuck, dude? Okay. So I come in here. Jump up here, right? Let's double check everything. Alright, so yeah, jump up in here. I swear there's like another... I don't know. Okay, so then... I know I jumped up here because I almost fucking died. So... I mean, unless... No. Yeah, they have to... I remember they have to be right here. Unless legit, those were like... I just have to kill all these enemies, that's it. No. Oh god, man. Oh god. Oh god. I'm gonna be pissed as hell if I just like had to like walk up to this. Okay. I legitimately have no idea what the hell I'm doing. Maybe there's like another? Let's see before this episode ends. Yeah, I fucking went up here, so ergo, if so facto, Mr. Robacto. Yeah, so what the fuck? Man, fucking 20... I don't know how many years later, and this game still gives me the same nausea that it did before. Like, the same area, and the same problem too. It's like, what am I supposed to do? Every time. I can't. So there's that button down there. Oh. Alright, well, that'll have to wait for the next episode, I guess. Until next time. Bitches. Oh! Alright, yeah. Keep your ear to the grindstone.